Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to create a table in MySQL. Let's go to the computer where I have a command line interface opened up, and I'm going to log into MySQL server. To do so, let's just type MySQL space -u and the user we want to log in as. I'm just going to do root. Now the -p is going to tell it to ask me for my username or my password. So here's the password. Now I'm going to type show databases, which gives me a listing of the databases that exist that I can create tables within. I'm going to create a table within my database. So let's say use my database. No, I put databases, so use my database. Now it says database changed. We're going to create our table. Just say create table. Let's call it my table. Now do an opening parentheses, and we're going to put in the fields that exist in this table. I'm going to create an ID field that is an integer. It's also the primary key for that database and automatically increments. So the way you do automatically incrementing on your ID is you have to make it a primary key and then say auto_increment. Let's do a comma for our next field. I'm going to say my text. I'm just going to make that a text type. Let's do a closing parentheses and a semicolon. As you can see, our table has just been created. I can type describe my table, and that gives me information about that table. My name's Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to create a new table in MySQL.